Good morning and welcome to day 1 of December Daily. I thought I would just do a quick check-in before I get going and actually start scrapbooking and memory keeping in this album, and just do a quick refresher for any of you that have not seen what I got up to this summer. So I went through my stash and grabbed just some kind of leftover pieces from random various kits, just fabric. It was a little bit of everything. And I basically decided to go with like a vintagey kind of theme based on some of my embellishments that I had left. These were from the Simple Stories collection. Oh gosh, what was it from? I've got a few of the sticker sheets left over. Simple Vintage Christmas Lodge. And I had these, sorry, just bumped the camera. I had these 2 sticker sheets left and I wanted to really try to use them up. And as you can see, it's just a hodgepodge of so many different things. And I also grabbed the sticker book, I think, when I bought the kit. And then this sticker book was the sticker book that I bought this summer. So I'll link the video for the full kit in the cards and in the description box. But basically, this was my attempt at not buying more paper, because I actually had a decent amount of paper left, but supplementing the scraps of paper that I had just with random things from my stash. And because a lot of it ended up being leftovers from the previous kit, I settled on my vintage theme. So you're going to watch me dig through all of these goodies and hopefully use a decent amount. I mean, it's December Daily, so there's not going to be a huge amount of space, but my hope is to use for the most part from this kit. I also grabbed just some random ledger papers and things. I am guilty. I bought this Snow Globe vellum pad from Michaels for Black Friday, and the pages are really pretty. So yeah, that's kind of where things are. And then these are all the little scrappy bits that I'm hoping to work through. And then I have my album, which I started over the summer. And this is a scrapbook.com album, 6x8, but the pages aren't actually 6x8 size. They're a little bit bigger. And I pre-did a few different things. So this will be the first page that I work on. And as you can see, off camera and some on camera, I just started to fill out the pages. And some of these will stay, some of them will not. But again, just trying to work through some of the little things that I've had sitting in my stash forever, and then using up some of the larger pieces from that vintage, Simple Stories Vintage Christmas kit. Yeah, I did some Franken paper pages over the summer. I was on a huge kick for Franken paper. And some of these aren't finished yet, but you get the gist. I'm hoping to go all the way till December 31st this year. I don't always make it that far because I feel like I run out of enthusiasm for the project, but I'm hoping that this year will be different. Fingers crossed. Yeah, and that's kind of where we are. So Stay tuned. I will be starting my December daily by making a list, and I'm hoping to have that video up live today. As always, thanks for coming to hang out with me, and I will see you next video. Bye for now.